everyone, welcome to Let's Learn English with Sanjana. So today in this video I am going to share with you some points which you can implement in your daily life. Okay, every day you have to implement some points in your life, so you will able to speak English regularly if you do these points. Okay, so watch this video till the end, don't skip this, because if you skip this video, so you will never get my points, what I want to say to you or what I want to share with you. So if you watch full video, so you will get the knowledge and you will get the information that what are the things you can do in every day in your life to become fluent in this language. Okay, so without further delay, let's start our video. Okay, so first of all, I want to say to you that if you want to improve your English, if you want to learn this language, if you want to speak English fluently and very fastly, so first thing what you have to do, you have to take deep breath. Okay, deep breath, because why, when you going to speak English, that time you try to take breath, at least long breath you have to take. After that you can try to speak English in one breath, one sentence in one breath, or two sentence in one breath. Day by day, if you will do this activity, like take breath, take long breath, and then try to speak long sentence in one breath, it will really helpful for you. Okay, now another thing what you can do, you have to speak English continuously for 15 minutes or 20 minutes every day. If you do this point every day, really it will really you will get the good and drastic change on you. Okay, now another thing what you can do, you don't have to take pause while speaking English. Okay, don't take pause when you are speaking English. That time you try to speak continuously. Okay, you can speak like me. You are watching my video, whatever I am speaking in front of you, try to imitate. Okay, just listen, pause that, and try to speak as like me. Okay, now another thing what you can do, when you are speaking English, that time focus on your grammar and your fluency of English. Okay, both you have to balance while speaking English. Okay, it is really important for you. Okay, and you have to speak English attentively. Okay, like if you are speaking something in front of anybody, so that time put your mind at that time, exact time. Don't do like this, your mind is absent and your body is present. Okay, this thing not work in this language. You have to present with your body and with your mind. That time you will be become fluent. Okay, now another thing what you can do, when you are speaking English, don't try to repeat same sentences. Okay, try to explore new sentences in your daily life. Okay, and when you able to speak different words, different sentences every day, it will really quickly you will able to speak English, and your mind will also elaborate all the things easily. Your mind can elaborate easily. Okay, that is why I am emphasizing you, and that is why I am pressuring to you, forcing to you, do these activities, do use those steps every day. Don't skip it, any single day, don't skip it. If you do this every day, definitely you will get the drastic change. You will get the information, you will get the information about English if you do all the things every day, because this is a just language. Okay, it is not a big deal for us, right? So try to speak, try to explore new words. Okay, so whenever whatever you are speaking in English, try to do all the things very easily. And what you can do, when you are speaking English, try to concentrate at that time. Okay, if you don't put your concentration at that time, where whatever you are learning in English, whatever you are speaking in English, so this will not set in your mind. Okay, so what you can do, you have 24 hours. Okay, only 20 to 15 minutes you have to speak English, whatever you can speak. If you want to speak about your daily routine, if you want to speak some topics, you can do according to you. It's up to you that what you want to speak in English. But I want to tell you that if you have really no time, you just speak at morning time. Okay, whatever you are learning, try to learn everything in morning time. Like when you get up at that time, do your brush, freshen up, and then take bath. After that, take your copy or pencil, try to write down whatever you want to write, then try to speak it loudly with yourself. You can record yourself as well. Okay, if you are alone, and record yourself whatever you are speaking, and then see the result. If you do this regularly, daily basis, if you do, you will be habitual for this. Okay, and this will really become familiar to you, and some English word sentences will become familiar with your mouth, and you will able to speak very quickly. Okay, so dear friends, if these points you will follow every day, definitely nobody will stop you to speak in English. Okay, so if this video is helpful for you and you get information about what the thing you can use in every day for enhancing your communication skills, so please like the video and subscribe the channel for more videos, for informative videos, and share it with your friends and family. Okay, so thank you for the watching. Namaste.